Welcome students. Numerical find charge in the combination. It means several capacitors are connected, C1, C2, C3 connected in C3 and C4 and C5 connected in parallel, and C is the capacitor here. We have to first find out the equivalent capacitor. As it is for, first let us terminate this one as E. So from A to B it is in series. So C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C3 is equal to 60 microfarad. That is, we can say C. So all the three capacitors are in series. 1 by C series is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by C plus 1 by C is equal to 3 into 1 by C is equal to 3 into 1 by 60 microfarad. So 1 by CS. Therefore, CS is equal to 60 microfarad divided by 3 is equal to 20 microfarad. This is the capacitor, equivalent capacitor between A and B. So this we can reduce it like this. How this in series? So we can simply remove this. We can see it is a C between A and B. Equivalent capacitor, that is C A B equivalent. CAB, which is equal to 20 microfarad. Now, this and this are parallel. How to recognize a parallel? If there is a charge is distributed, charge is split. See, if Q is the charge, here Q1 will go, here Q2 will go, there is a split. It means whenever there is a split, that is a parallel circuit. For parallel circuit, we know this is 10, this is 10 for parallel. C parallel is equal to C4 plus C5, which is equal to 10 microfarad plus 10 microfarad is equal to 20 microfarad. So this we can split it as, this will become 20 microfarad. Microfarad. This is converted to 20 microfarad. Now this and this are in parallel between A and B. So it means parallel means C parallel is equal to C A to B plus another C A to B, both the branches is equal to 20 plus 20 microfarad is equal to 40 microfarad. This again we can reduce it as this we can reduce it as 40 microfarad. So now this is 40 microfarad, this is 40 microfarad. Now both are in series. It means C between A and now between this point. So what is the C equivalent? C equivalent is equal to, in series means what? No, C equivalent, that is 1 by C capacitor series is equal to 1 by 40 microfarad plus 1 by 40 microfarad is equal to 2 into 1 by 40 microfarad, or C capacitor in series is equal to 40 by 2 into microfarad is equal to 20 microfarad. So this both can be converted as 20 microfarad. 20 microfarad. 20 microfarad. This is the equivalent capacitor of the entire section. This is the equivalent capacitor of the entire section. Now, we have to find out what is the charge flowing from this place. Charge. So we know Q is equal to CV. If Q is equal to CV, we want to know the Q. C is equal to C combined into voltage applied. So voltage applied is 100 volt. C combined is equal to 20 into microfarad, 10 to the power minus 6 farad into 100 volt. 100 volt. In that case, it means how much the value of charge will come in coulomb. Coulomb 20, this becomes 220 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power, this is equal to 2, is equal to 20 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb or 2 microcoulomb is equal to 2 microcoulomb. The charge is equal to 2 microcoulomb in this circuit charge. And net capacitance, equivalent capacitance is 20 microfarad and this is equal to 2 microcoulomb.